action. Ugh. How disturbing is that? Just, like I said, they do a ton of damage so fast. They have like scissors for a mouth. It's crazy. That's a tomato hornworm. And he is bigger than the last one that I had. I've never seen them actually eat though. Like, I just see the damage and then I usually kill them. This is crazy to watch. So I figured I would just show a real quick video of it like actually, oh, so gross, of it actually eating. Yeah, see all the damage is gone. Here's my asparagus beans that I just harvested, but yeah, I mean, it just tears it up. And they blend in so well, it took me a minute to find it. You just, like, he's right there. The plants. There's another one right here. Ugh. Like, they're kind of pretty looking, I guess, with their spots and their stripes, but at the same time, they're so ugly. I moved the plant and I scared him, but look at that mouth. Just look at it. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed watching a nasty little hornworm eat a tomato plant.